my name is Andres Bradford. I'm from Bogota, Colombia. I'm currently cursing the Business and Management program here in the university. Regarding the worst screw-ups in my life, I was once in Peru in a restaurant and I got a little bit intoxicated and there was no toilet paper, so I had to wipe my ass with my socks and with my boxers. This is the illustration of me in the bathroom in Peru. Well, as you can see in the illustration, my artistic abilities and skills are way too bad, so I prefer others to perform it. Well, to finish the self-anti presentation, something embarrassing you shouldn't know about me is that I like to fart and blame my friends, because it's funny to see the reaction of the people nearby. This can be the situation if you sometime are hanging out with me.